When I started recording my videos on YouTube, it would take me a very long time to edit just a video of 2-3 minutes because I used Camtasia, and then I will have to manually look for silence and then cut them one after the other just like this. Look for the beginning of the silence, cut them, and I have to delete one after the other. So it used to be so frustrating and I got tired of it. Now what I do is totally different. I discovered a software called Descript. Although it is paid, there is a free version of it. Yeah, but it kind of changed the whole system. It changed how I edit my videos and made it about 10 times faster with some other features that I really do appreciate. Yeah, because I create videos for both my social media handles on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and then for YouTube. So for the ones on social media platforms, I need caption. Descript has like the caption for Descript, the auto caption is like 98% like accurate. I've never seen anyone like it before. So I've tried, even Camtasia has captions which I've used before. I've also used that of CapCut, but none of them comes close to that of Descript. Although I have to say that the when it comes to auto captioning, the quality of the sound that you use also matters. It affects how the AI is able to translate, and then the accent, of course, how you pronounce your words matters a lot. So today I'm going to show you my whole process, how I record my videos, and just for you to see the kind of videos I have, the quality of videos I have, so you know whether it is worth it or not. I'm going to show you videos from my TikTok account here so you can have a glimpse of the quality. I am a firm believer that function is more important than form. For example, if I use an iPhone, I would use it because it helps me to be more productive and it helps me take better. All right, yes, so that is how it looks like. I'll put a link to my accounts on TikTok and Instagram. I'm going to put this in the description so you can check for yourself and you see if you want to follow my process. So first, the microphone I record with, I use this microphone that I bought on Jumia. The name is just microphone and I bought it for 33,900. Yeah. So this is the actual microphone and that is what I'm using right here. So I have two of it. I've bought two, and for this it's on a stand which I bought separately, and I removed this base. It's easy for you to remove, just to loosen this, just loosen it on both sides, and I can remove the base totally, but I don't want to do that now. So I'm just going to screw this back into place. Yeah, so this microphone, it comes with a type C USB cable, just the regular one you can use for your Android phone. And I plug it directly to my PC. I use a Windows PC. So the good thing is if this gets bad, I can easily replace it with any cable. And this is quite long, so I'm able to wrap it around my stand. I don't want to move it so much so that the sound doesn't get bad. So you can see how long it is. Yeah, so that is what I use to record. And some of the settings it has a, I think I need to adjust this. All right. So it has this V-Ray, which is basically for is yeah, is for sound noise cancellation, and it works really well. So I'm going to do a different review of this microphone and show you everything about it. It has echo, which I turn down to zero, like to the lowest every time. I don't know what that is useful for. And this is the recording volume. I normally put it about half. Yeah. So I'm going to test it out in a different video, which I'm going to link somewhere here. All right. So that is what I use for my software, recording software. I use Camtasia. I record directly into Camtasia. I just come to, so I'm currently using it to record now. I won't be able to show you how it works. So there's really nothing big about my sound editing, just Camtasia, just record directly into Camtasia. And for my video, I record with the Detail app, which I have a review. I'm going to link it somewhere here as well. I talked about how it works. So once I record with Detail, I record the video with my iPhone 11 Pro. I record with that and simultaneously record with this microphone into Camtasia. So I said earlier that Camtasia used to be quite difficult for me to use, but it's still in the loop of the softwares, the apps that I use. So I use Camtasia to record the sound from this microphone. Meanwhile, the sound is also being recorded on my iPhone 11 Pro, but I don't really use it because it's not clear enough. And I also record the video with the Detail app on my iPhone 11. Yeah, so I think I should break it down again. For video, I use Detail app on my iPhone. For sound, I use this microphone and I record it into Camtasia, right? So when I'm done, I simply export the video from Detail. Then once it is done exporting, I just use my regular USB, my iPhone USB cable to copy the video into my PC. So once it's copied into my PC, I go over to Camtasia. When I started recording my videos on, okay, so this is not what I want to edit now. All right, guess this is it. One of the skills that we need to, okay, so once I'm done recording, this is the sound I recorded through Camtasia. Sometimes I'm able to, I just record the audio, I don't record the screen, but if I have to, I record both audio and the screen. Yeah, so this is the audio I recorded with this mic, like directly with this mic without any edits. I recorded into Camtasia. So this is how it sounds like. One of the skills that we need to learn as Christians is the skill of looking beyond our current situation. All right, so that is just the raw sound. Yeah. Now I've exported the video from Detail to my desktop and is in this folder. So I'm going to bring this video from the Detail app, which is installed on my iPhone. I'm going to bring it into Camtasia. I'll just drag it over here. Okay, so that is not the video. This is not it. Should be this. You will get to see why I still use Camtasia shortly. All right. So I have both my video. This is the video from my phone, and this is the audio I recorded directly into Camtasia from here. So, okay, I think I should first of all remove separate audio and video because I don't need the screen for this. So I'm just going to delete this. So what I have visible is this. Come here and say fit to visible, apply. All right. Okay, so now that I have both the audio and the video here, the next thing is for me to synchronize them together. So the sound I have from my Descript, sorry, from my phone matches what I have on my Camtasia, so they begin at the same time. I'll just zoom closely into this and align this wave, this sound wave. Yeah, all right. It's supposed to be somewhere around there. So I'll just play it. One of the skills that we need to learn as grace. So that's quite close. One of the skills that we need. So that is already synchronized. So I'm just going to cut this beginning part. I'll cut this off and bring it over here to the beginning. Okay, then I'm going to remove the sound from the phone just by pressing Shift S. Okay, now this is ready to go. So I'm going to continue the edit in Descript, and that is where the magic really happens. Because I have more than one videos in this project, so I will just need to select this and export it. Export selection as, I'll call it okay, let's say Descript demo. So I'll put it on my desktop in this folder. So I'll wait for it to export and come back to you. Okay, the video is done exporting and here it is. Next, I'm going to open up my Descript app. Because it can be installed on the PC, but it works with the internet, so all of your files are saved in Descript cloud. So I'll go to project and new project, video project, and I'll upload this Descript demo. So it's done uploading. I can change the title of this. Yeah, I'll just wait for a while for the transcription to be ready. The file is about 156 MB. That is the size from Camtasia. So it's done translating, and this is how it looks like. The video, it's about 9 minutes. I have a lot of quiet places because I really talk slowly. Yeah, so I would have to remove a lot of silences. But without any edits, this is the timeline. I'll just play it so you hear just a few. Regardless of what your today is, don't get stuck in it. Yeah, so keep building, keep doing things that will make your tomorrow better. Don't be distracted about the challenges of today, how difficult, the toughness. Okay, and as it is now, I can actually just delete any word, and that segment of the video will be deleted. Both the audio and the video would be deleted in that spot. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is to remove all of the silences like with one click, and that is one of the tools I really enjoy. In fact, that's one of the reasons I'm using Descript. So this is it right here. This I mean, so these AI tools, you based on the package that you've subscribed to, you have a limited amount to use on monthly basis. So I have 20 and I've used 19. This is the last one I'm using. So I'm going to click on shorten word gaps. I'm going to reduce every word that is 0.2. I'm going to find every word, every space or silence that is more than 0.2 seconds, and then shorten them. You can see that the video is at the moment 9 minutes 11 seconds. So I'm going to shorten them right now. Okay, two of them have been shortened. So after shortening, the video has dropped to 6 minutes 47 seconds, and all of those awkward silent spaces have been deleted. So let's just play and hear how it sounds now. One of the skills that we need to learn as Christians is the skill of looking beyond our current situation. You see, this is a critical skill that we see Jesus himself practicing, and then we need to emulate. Learn to see yourself today through the lens of your future you and not just who you are today. Before I forget, one of the things I need to do is to flip this, because as you can see, my name is starting from the other side. So I just click on this, flip horizontal, and it's corrected. This is how it should appear. Okay, you can see that the sound now is a lot better. The spaces have been dealt with just one click. If I had some more AI tools to use, I would have enabled this studio sound. It kind of makes the sound pop better, but I've exhausted my credits for this month, so I'll just make do with the sound I got from this my microphone. Yep. See yourself today through the lens of your future you and not just you can see that today. So where do you see yourself? I haven't edited anything in the caption, so this is just what it got for you to see how accurate it is. All right, so that is how Descript works, and as it is now, all I need to do is just to listen over and over to make sure that everything is clear, and then I'll add caption, which is not limited, unlike the AI tools that are under what they call underload. So for the caption, I just need to add anyone I like. There are a lot of styles, so most times I use this, and it's going to apply that automatically. Yep, and that has been done. All right, so that is how I edit my video. I think I don't want the video to get longer than this, so I need to stop now. But if you want to see more details on how I complete the whole process, please leave a comment below and I'll make another video that has the full process from here till the end. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos like this, please consider subscribing to my channel, and thank you for watching.